Stock number 41708Y. It's a 2017 GMC Yukon. You see the front bumper's no good, the hood's no good, the grill's no good, bumper's no good, headlights are no good. See the passenger fender's no good. Passenger door's bent. It's no good. It's got too much damage. You can see a little scratch right there on the side view mirror. See the back door's got a little dent right there. Quarter panel's good. Rear bumper is no good. That tail light's good. That tail light's good. The deck lid's good. The spoiler's good. Bumper's no good. Quarter panel is good. Back door's good. Driver door's good. Front fender's good. The steering wheel airbag's deployed. It does have a key. Seatbelt's good. It does have a key. Seatbelt's good. Seatbelts back there are good as well. It does not have a sunroof. Seatbelt's good. Says stock number 41708Y. It's a 2017 GMC Yukon Denali.